Welcome to this channel once again. This is Efoko Joseph, your anchor man at the free genuine airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sell your dog's coin on ByBit. I remember a lot of us use different exchanges for receiving our airdrops, but in this particular video, I will show you how to sell yours on ByBit. So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and keep receiving our update each time a new video is posted. And if you are not on our WhatsApp group where we share daily updates and tips, you can also look up the channel description and use the link to join our WhatsApp group. Okay, to move ahead with our discussion, this is ByBit. We are in the front page, the home page of ByBit. Just scroll and you will see that dog is already having a countdown there that shows you that it will start trading in a few minutes, which is this, and this is the countdown, and this. Okay, so just click on it and see what happens. Okay, now you have clicked and there are two options available to you. The first option says buy, the second one says sell. So, and in about 37 minutes or thereabout, we will start buying and selling. So you are going to click on this red one that says sell, and it takes you directly to the sell interface, to the trading platform, your sports platform, sports trading platform, where you can sell your coin. But unfortunately, because it is not selling right now, this is the only thing you can easily see here that tells you that you are trading and exchanging your dogs for USDT. You are going to sell it and get USDT. But for you to be able to understand this, I will show you another video of another coin so that may help us. Okay. All right. This is ladies now. I've just clicked on ladies and we have tried to open ladies. Now, if you note here, you have trade. So you are going to click it. You click on that trade to get to where we were before we change to this place. Otherwise, you would have continued with the first video. The only thing is that you may not be able to understand how to sell. That is why we are continuing it with these ladies, because ladies is already trading. So let's click on trade. So can you see what is here now? Okay, there are buttons here. This one says buy. Okay, and this one says sell. And this one says ladies USDT. But when you are in dogs, you are going to have dogs USDT. So if you, for any reason, you come to your trading platform, you didn't see dog, you click on this place and scroll, just type dog, the dog will come at dog slash USDT. Okay, now that we are here, we are going to click on sell. Okay, so let's click it. Sell. Okay, so you now see that the system has changed. We have red buttons now instead of blue buttons. If you click buy, you have blue buttons. So anytime you come, you see blue buttons or green buttons, you know that you are not on sell. If you click sell, you have red buttons showing on both sides, sell and sell ladies. And you now notice that there is a current price for which it is going, which is this. The current price is this one, okay, 128 USD, and that is what it is also showing here. So if you want to sell part of this coin and you don't want to sell everything at once, you come here. This is at 0%. This is at 25%. This is at 50%. This is at 75%. This is at 100%. So whichever you want to sell, if you want to sell just half of the coins, which is 50%, it means you are going to click this. Oh, sorry. It means you are going to click on this 50%. But if you are selling 25%, you click here. If you are selling 75%, you click here. If you are selling 100%, you click here. And because the price is already here, or this one is showing, make sure that the two prices are the same. If they are not, you come back and click this. Oh, sorry. If they are not the same, you will come back and click this one. And once you click it, it will automatically show in this place. So you decide which percentage you want to sell, and then you click on sell. Okay, so let's demonstrate it for instance now. Let's click on 50%. Did you see that? It is showing some coins here, which I am supposed to sell, which is this. This is the quantity. But if I increase it, you see that it is 1888, whatever. If I increase it to 75%, it now changed to 2832. So if I click 100%, you click to 377. That is exactly what you are going to be seeing. So if you want to sell, you will use that. But if you do not know how to use that and you want to do it manually, then you have to use this other one. But let's be so careful so that we don't confuse ourselves. If you want to do it manually, you can also use here. Okay? You just click into that box, remove everything here. So you decide by yourself how many coins you want to sell. So you can count the coin, maybe 250,000, 250,000. That's 250,000 ladies. So you can decide by yourself whether it is, if you may not be 25%, but if you want to sell less than that, you can manually count it what you want to sell. After you have put what you want to sell, whether by percentage or by counting, then you now come back here and click sell. You click that button. When you click that button, your order will appear here and start to show one. But in some cases, it may not even show, it will just sell immediately. But if it has not sold, that place will be showing one until the price goes in. Why does it happen that way? Sometimes the price is at this particular level. The moment you click the button, it has moved maybe to a higher price. So it will not sell until it gets to, sorry, if it goes to a lower price and you are selling at a higher price, it will not sell. Except it goes above how much you want to sell and your own is cheaper, then it can sell. But if your price is higher, it will not sell until it gets back to where your price is. But if it is at that same price, immediately you click that, it will now show zero here. Everything will be credited to your account and you have your USDT. So that is how you are going to sell your coin on ByBit. Remember that we started with dogs and we are now with ladies because we wanted you to understand if you get to that point of selling on dogs, how you are going to continue the business. That's why we are using ladies to end it. Thank you. Remember, if you find this video helpful, that you should share it, like it, and subscribe to this channel. See you again. God bless you.